Whew, perfect. That was nice.
Yeah. Now we need to decorate.
Lights and this green.
Yeah, you're going to look here.
Tree?
Oh,
Yeah. What are we doing this in?
Oh, what is this? You broke it?
What?
You silly American.
What is
Ash.
now we have the lights to do the loop.
It's supposed to go down.
What are you doing?
Wow.
Not the Christmas mascot. Fine, I take this one here.
yeah.
Yeah, that'll
Works
work.
you.
That'll work. There we go.
Dager til jul! Kan du røre litt, da? Kan du røre litt?
Det er nesten som blader.
Ja.
Watch out. The computer. Hello.
Welcome to our little Christmas cavalcade.
Right here.
Even though Cody and I both got sick this year and struggled with jet lag, Christmas means a lot to me, and traditions with it. We put a tired tree from our woods outside the barn with lights and hay for the birds, and me and my dad go out to buy a real-looking tree for inside. We go see my mom play the trombone in church with her band, and we decorate the tree on Little Christmas Eve, as we call it, before watching a silly sketch about a drunk waiter on TV and eat homemade pizza. On Christmas Eve, we wake up to stockings, we watch a weird version of Cinderella at 11 a.m., and we have rice porridge with a competition to find the almond hidden in it at noon. We dress up and go to church, come home and eat Christmas dinner, and then we open presents. Christmas Day forward, we attend various Christmas parties and meet up with all ends of the family tree, while eating the same type of food and have Christmas candy every day until New Year's. This is the first time Cody is spending Christmas in Norway, and even though I know that all the Christmas gatherings in my family can be a lot for even the best of us, I know that Cody also thinks about not knowing the language that well. Lucky for him, most Norwegians know English pretty well, but when my 3-year-old niece surprised us all with expecting Santa to come on Christmas Eve, Cody was put to the challenge. After all, he has the best look for it. Days went by practicing how to say "Er det noen snille barn her?", which is the common Santa phrase and means "Are there any good kids around?" And on the day of, we stuffed him with pillows and layers of costume, and it seems like we have a new tradition going.
Nei! Neimen!
You!
Har
du snille barn her?
Nei!
God dag.
Oi! Så takk.
And As it wasn't really a lot of snow at the farm this year, and we all wanted to get away for some fresh air, we decided to go to our cabin in the mountains for a couple of days before New Year.
Put our differences aside and just enjoy this moment of peace and love and happiness. We come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents. But it's fair to say that Christmas is a magic
Var det en bitte liten bakke, eller? Var det bare en bitte liten en? Ja.
It's calling me like the
Are you leaving me?
Yeah. I have to.
Why?
Vinyasa needs me.
Pretty sad for me though.
Sad for you, sad for me. I gotta go on a plane after New Year's.
You gave me the, I'm late.
No.
I'm late.
I walked out of the airport with tears running down my face. I'm not very good at goodbyes, even though we've had a lot of practice since we met. I don't know what felt different this time. I just feel like it's time to just stay together, I guess. But with all the challenges life gives us when it comes to logistics, being from two different countries, it was just easier this way. Cody is going back to Vinyasa to get some work done on both her and hopefully for our financial status. And I'm staying behind in Norway to spend some extra time with my family while working as much as possible translating and with accounting. As Cody sails away south to get ready for the little passage to the Bahamas with the guys, I will take advantage of constant Wi-Fi and spending time with my cute nieces and nephew before flying out to meet him there. It's just better that way. And I know it. But I'm starting to get over it, so bring it on, Bahamas. We'll both get there and we'll be cruising. Eventually.